Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing anything that won't bond. Use a putty knife or scraper to lift flaking paint. Stop when the edges are solid. Once done, sand with 80-120 grit and feather the transition about 1 to 2 inches into sound paint so new layers hide. Then make sure to wipe the dust off with a degreaser solution, rinse, and fully dry. Mask adjacent trim with 1/2-inch tape to protect surfaces before moving on. You now stabilize and build a uniform substrate. If bare metal or tannin-stained wood shows, apply the appropriate primer. It prevents bleed-through and improves adhesion. Next, fill any gouges with a lightweight patching compound, then sand smooth with 120-180 grit so the finish coats lay evenly. Once patched, prime the repaired spots with thin, even coats and allow the manufacturer's flash time between layers. This ensures you finish by applying 2 thin top coats, maintaining wet edges and following the paint's recommended dry times so each layer cures correctly. Use paints and primers that are compatible, latex over latex, oil over oil, or use a bonding primer when switching types because mismatch causes failure. After 24 to 48 hours, check adhesion. If peeling returns, test with tape, strip the failing layer back to sound substrate, reprime that spot, and repeat the controlled painting steps to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.